Hi there. I'm going to harvest this bed of red Pontiac potatoes today. These are an 80 to 90 day potato. They've been in the ground, an 80 to 100 day potato. And they've been in the ground about 95 days. They're all spilled over into the aisle and dying. And I need my aisle back. And I need to get something else planted in here, so I'm going to pull these up today. We're supposed to get rain tonight and all day tomorrow, so I want to get this done before the rain hits, so I can get some peas planted in this bed. The last Pontiacs I dug had quite a bit of splitting on. We've had some heavy rains this year, so we'll see. So far these don't look too bad. We're at 68 pounds of potatoes for the year so far, with what I've already dug. Ooh, that's a big one. And we still have 2 rows in the in-ground garden and about 7 pots left. These were from certified seed potatoes. The ones I dug earlier that I had the splitting problems with were ones saved from my seed last year. Ooh, that's a massive one too. Oh my goodness. Still a lot of little ones in here too. Those will eat. I expect to find a few green ones in here because there were ones popping up that I had to keep covering. Trying to get this done before the sun hits this part of the garden and it gets blazing hot. See, there's one with a little green on it right there. That one doesn't want to pull. Pick these little ones off the roots later. That's a nice big one right there. Got a couple volunteer sunflowers there in the back too, thanks to the chipmunks. That's what we got so far. I'm gonna dig through with my hands and see what else I can find. One. Completely dead plant there. Very many in that area. It's a nice big one. Okay. Check the other side. We don't need that weed in there. I scraped that one. That's a big one. Big. Sorry if I sound huffy puffy. This is hard work. That's a nice one too. We had planted 2 other of these 6x3 raised beds. I think we got 20 pounds out of one of them, 25 pounds out of the other one. This is our 3rd of the raised beds. Ooh, that's a nice big boy. That one's a little little scabby. Okay, well, that looks like most of them there. I will go back through and dig through again, make sure I got them all. And we'll let you know a weight in the title. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.